Hey guys, so this will be a speed test between these two beasts of a smartphone. On the left, we have the Galaxy Note 8. Snapdragon 835, 6 gigs of RAM on this beastly device. Very nice. And on the right, of course, Oneplus 5. Now this may be the king of the budget smartphone. Also comes with a Snapdragon 835, but this phone has 8, I repeat that, 8 gigs of RAM. Wow. So how do these two compare in terms of performance? Let's find out. Gonna go ahead and boot them both up at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Who wins? Now, unfortunately, the Note 8 does have carrier bloat. It is what it is. And despite that, look at that. Wow. Boots up faster than the OnePlus 5. And we are in! Both phones have been updated to their latest UI. All apps have been updated. Everything is cleared out in the background. And since the OnePlus 5 has 1080p resolution, I have the Note 8 on 1080p res also. Hit apply. And I have both phones on 1x animations. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clear that out so there's nothing in the background. And I'm gonna starting with the phone app. There we go. Let's see, let's go open the messaging app right now. Give you an idea of the performance of these two devices. Both nice and butter right now. Let's see, let's open the calculator right now. There we go. Let's open the clock right now. Clock. Play Store. We'll open that one and just leave it right there. Let's open eBay. So who's gonna take it? Ooh, very similar. Open this Note 8 case and leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Similar on both. We'll just leave it on that item. Next app, speed test. Who's gonna take it? Ooh, OnePlus 5. Let's see, we do have Acrobat Reader for your PDFs on both devices. All right. Open Mario Run right now. Who's gonna take it? Ooh, both the same. Nice. Angry Birds 2. Who's gonna take this one? Note 8 jumping out in front here. Followed by the OnePlus 5. Okay, let's open San Andreas right now. Let's go. Both pretty much the exact same, and we do have Subway Surf installed on both phones. Give this one a whirl real fast. And we have the Note 8 out in front here a little bit. Tap to play. We'll stop the game right there. We do have Twitter. Very similar on both. And Snapchat. Again, same thing. All right, let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background right here. Run through this test real quick, nice and fast, and round off the video. See, I'm not seeing any slowdowns yet. See, we have the clock right here, ready to go. Play Store right on that app, ready to download. eBay right on that Note 8 case, ready to purchase if I wanted it. Same thing with Amazon Shopping right on that, what was that, blender or coffee maker, whatever. Speed test app, ready to take a speed test. Acrobat for your PDFs. Wow, both phones right now running like literally like butter. Angry Birds, ready to play. San Andreas, wow, nice and buttery smooth. Now this is what I'm talking about. I think both phones are gonna run the table here. Not a single reload whatsoever. Look at that. Wow. Snapchat and phone app. Boom. Nice and fast on both. That's what I'm talking about. So anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about this one. Let me know if you copped yourself a Note 8, and let me know what you think of the device. And if you have a OnePlus 5, hit me up in the comments and let me know how you're liking that phone. Thanks for watching. Peace out.